If you want to set up your microphone on Steam, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to choose the correct mic, test it, and make sure Steam is actually picking up your voice. This is super useful if your headset mic is not working, your friends can't hear you, or Steam is using the wrong audio device. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click Steam. Then select Settings from the menu. This is where Steam keeps all of its main configuration options, including voice and audio settings. Once the settings window opens, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side and click the Voice tab. This is the section that controls your microphone input inside Steam. Now, under Voice Input Device, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and choose your specific microphone. If you're using a built-in laptop mic, you might see something like Realtek Audio. If you're using a USB headset or gaming microphone, you should select the exact device name from the list. Choosing the correct device is one of the most important steps because if Steam is set to the wrong mic, your voice won't be detected properly. After you select the right microphone, it's time to test it. Click the Start Microphone Test button. Once the test begins, speak normally into your mic. Watch the colored bar on the screen carefully. If the bar moves when you talk, that means Steam is successfully detecting your voice. If it doesn't move, double check that your microphone is plugged in, turned on, and selected correctly in the dropdown. You may also want to make sure your system microphone permissions are enabled in Windows or your operating system settings. A lot of people skip the test step, but it's really the easiest way to confirm everything is working before you join a voice chat or start playing with friends. If the test looks good, you're basically done. Steam should now be using the microphone you selected, and your voice should come through correctly in chat or voice features. If you ever switch headsets or plug in a different mic later, just come back to this same voice tab and repeat the process. So to recap, open Steam settings, go to voice, select your microphone from the voice input device dropdown, and run the microphone test to confirm it works. That's all it takes to set up your microphone on Steam. If this guide helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with more Steam settings or gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.